Scott, let's put investors on a bell-shaped curve. I mean, we do a lot of what we do, of course, based on bell-shaped curves. And the middle of that curve is, of course, when you were in school, is the C students. That's the high peak on that curve, are the students. 68% of occurrences should be in there. Now, those are people with a much longer time frame, and that's most investors, 68%. Now, you push it out to the right or the left, and you get into the more quick twitch sort of traders, and this is where those 8 million people that are now trading through Robinhood and the online brokers, this is where they are. They are much shorter time frame. So to Josh's point and Jenny's, these are people who are trading, not investing for 6 months from now when the vaccine starts getting distributed. These are people that are trying to catch or at least ride that wave when it starts happening, whether it's for Zoom or Apple or Logitech, whatever it is, Scott. So knowing that, what would I say to the investor, as you said, that is worried about that ridge or that ledge? You know, we got to get over that ledge. I'd listen to what Jenny said as far as if I can pick up some of those epicenter stocks, Tom Lee calls them, if I could pick up some of those stocks on the lower ends of their bounds, and many of them are there again. Delta's there again. American Airlines is there again. Marriott is not. Marriott's on the upper end of this bound that it's been on lately because it's had more of a recovery than those other guys have. I would say that of that group, Scott, if you're picking up those airlines on the cheap, cruise lines, if you can pick them up on the cheap, then do that with that 6-month time horizon. But I would still say put some bands on those graphs and look at which ones are at the lower band and which ones are at the upper. Now, I'm not critical of your pick, Jenny, in the case of Marriott. I think it's a great stock. But it's on, you know, whether it's 115 a share or wherever it is right now, it's a lot higher than any of those airlines right now. And so I'd say I'd be more of a buyer for a 6-month out time frame of those airline stocks, Scott, than I would of at least Marriott and some of the hotel stocks.